Very powerful and great display. Camera is typical OnePlus where they tend to do some over-processing, especially color reproduction and edge sharpness. Edges of any object are not sharp, slight oil paint effect and oversaturated colors in bright light. Software update should fix it. Portrait mode gives a very great blurred background. Battery life is good with moderate use, you can get through one full day. Switch off the 90Hz and you are comfortable for the day. Adaptive brightness is flawed right now but it will be fixed by bug fix I am assuming. Oxygen OS, as always, is great. Dolby Atmos sound is great. Very few things to point at and many things pointing out. Only complaint, no frosted silver in 256GB. Amazing smartphone. Super fast charger. Battery percentage reached 77% from 15% only in 26 mins. Thanks to warp charging. The phone is super fast. I noticed a lot of difference from my previous phone RN5 Pro when it comes to paying using Paytm. The photos are coming really good. Especially the photos that are shot in low light. The camera app itself suggests, based on the environment, when we should use the wide landscape option. The only con is the unavailability of headphone jack. I wish OnePlus had provided the Type-C to 3.5mm adapter in the phone's package. Otherwise it costs 390 rupees in OnePlus stores. Just go for it if you're looking for an upgrade. I trust you won't regret. Lovely mobile from OnePlus 9O HZOMG like Makan after 10 days mobile was good, no complan after update, battery was good, 7-hour plus display on time in 60Hz with PUBG, 2-hour HD EXTRIME, love this mobile. Simply it's the best smartphone you can buy today below 50k, best in class screen with 90Hz display, fastest fast charging, fastest processing unit with Snapdragon 855 plus 8GB RAM, triple setup camera with first of a kind macro mode. What else could we want from a phone priced at half as that of TH? Round triple camera setup looks strange at first but gets used to soon. I've been surrounded by iOS. The only Android I've used on a daily was way back to the first gen Android Xperia X10i. Decided to switch to Android for functionality and my god, it has been the best decision. 70 easily beats most of the devices in terms of practicality. Battery life is a little low but can't complain because the warp charge makes up for it. 90Hz refresh rate makes other phones look primitive. Snapdragon 855 Plus can take on any app game you throw at it, and all this superlative performance is backed by a finish that's no less than a 70,000 rupees plus smartphone. In short, best phone you can buy on the market in November 19 period. Good quality camera, great fingerprint reader, enormous battery life with fast charging, easy to handle, beautiful user interface, timely delivered, thanks Amazon. It's really butter smooth. 90Hz display is amazing. After using my OP70 a while, if I hold my iPhone 6, I feel how smooth my OP70 is. Camera is awesome. Click link in description for more reviews.